Howdy everybody, Steve McMaster with Dell EMC here at the Microsoft conference, talking about everything from infrastructure to cloud and everything in between. And that being said, we have the wonderful opportunity to have one of our partners here, Ferranti, to talk a little bit more about their infrastructure and use cases and applications and all the goodness that we're collectively doing.
Ferranti has always been an early adopter of new technology. We always try to search for the new technology, try it our own, see if it's very good, if we can use it, for our customers. So Ferranti is a good party to implement your stuff. For our customer, you can also bring the Hyper-V environment. So customers in Belgium always love the Hyper-V. So we can implement the Hyper-V infrastructure for them, and we can bring the managed services so the customer can work to their core services and don't have to think about their infrastructure.
Well, for us it's the development use case. So everyone in our team has a dedicated box and codes in Visual Studio, compiles the application, and afterwards also runs the tests with local data on their own database.
Well, 6-7 years ago, we had the opportunity to all replace our current architecture. So we look into all different suppliers, and we look into the market, what was possible, and we came to Dell as a trusted partner. We checked their infrastructure and their devices, and we decided to replace everything from the old situations to Dell Ecologic Storage with PowerEdge servers. So this year again we had the second clusters for the Storage Spaces Direct, now with the Ready Nodes. We noticed that the Ready Node implementation was very easy. So I think we delivered the devices, so we ordered them, 2 weeks later the devices were delivered, and I think in almost 1 week, a little bit more, 2 days more I think, we were already live with the new clusters. So the developers could use the new hardware just in 3 weeks after the order. So that was really great with the Ready Nodes.
Yeah, we're using different tools from Dell. First of all, we use OpenManage. That gives us a nice idea of how our environment is alive. On top of that, we use SupportAssist. That gives us an even better view of how the system is doing. Is something going down? Is something critical failed? So that's our two biggest software we use for keeping our environment alive.
So next year we will have to replace all infrastructure which we bought 6 years ago, and we are looking into to replace everything to Storage Spaces Direct, because we think that is the future for our on-premise infrastructure.